Hi, I'm Nick, and today we're going to show you how to resolve Android WCAG labels or instructions violations. WCAG 3.3.2, titled Labels or Instructions, states that labels or instructions are provided when content requires users' input. The intent of this success criterion is to remind content authors that when user input is required, labels and instructions must also be provided such that all users know what input data is expected. This success criterion only requires that labels or instructions are provided. Whether or not these labels or instructions are sufficiently clear is covered by WCAG 2.4.6 headings and labels. This success criterion does not require that labels or instructions are correctly marked up, identified, or associated with their respective controls. This aspect is instead covered by WCAG 1.3.1 Info and Relationships. For more details on the specifics of WCAG label or instructions violations, check out this link here. Link also in the description down below. Let's go ahead and fix a labels or instructions accessibility violation with the help of the Mesmer JetBrains IDE plugin. But first, we'll have a message from our sponsor.
Like and subscribe.
Here we have a labels or instructions accessibility violation, or rather we have four. Clicking on the object allows us to pull up the screen containing this violation, and clicking on the resource ID allows us to immediately find the XML file responsible for this violation. Now that we know where this violation is located, let's pull up our emulator so we can take a better look. Let's navigate this page with TalkBack's audio voiceover enabled such that we can hear what someone using a screen reader will experience.
Left paren. Edit box. Closing parenthesis dash. Edit box. Dash. Edit box. Send verification code button. Double tap to activate.
It is very difficult to tell what this form control is for when only listening to the voiceovers read aloud by TalkBack. Let's try resolving this violation by adding an appropriate instruction or label. While this phone number may be very clear to someone from America, other countries or those with visual disabilities or learning disabilities may find it difficult to figure out what the purpose of this input control is. From the code, we've added a singular text view which is associated to the linear layout that contains the phone number control and added the instruction enter phone number. Now let's try spinning up our emulator and running through the app with TalkBack enabled.
Enter phone number.
Awesome. So now the user is prompted with an instruction as to the purpose of this form input control, thus resolving this accessibility violation. And just like that, we've resolved our WCAG labels or instruction accessibility violation. What are you doing to make your application more accessible? Let us know in the comments down below. Thanks for watching and happy developing.